Every 5 seconds, one person goes blind. A 2002 Prevention Blindness America survey ranked blindness as people's worst fear after cancer and heart disease. Imagine going blind. For many, going blind can mean the end of their education, job, livelihood, and independence. This leads to depression and an overwhelming sense of defeat. An estimated 39 million people around the world today are blind, yet 4 out of 5 don't have to be. This is our story. SERI strives to move towards a world free of blindness and vision disorders.
The vision of SERI is to be one of the leading eye research institutes that's focused on vision, the prevention of blindness, the curing of eye diseases, and we want to be up there with the best in Asia Pacific and in the world.
The most gratifying part of my work in SERI is knowing whatever I do here has a certain translational value. Knowing whatever I study here has a certain impact on the healthcare of the patients.
Eye research enables me to make a real difference and impact on the lives of others.
My journey with SERI is like the voyage of a ship. Every day is a new weather with different challenges and lessons to learn. But ultimately, I know I will one day reach a destination, a new discovery about the eye disease, which will benefit the community at large.
At SERI, our patients are the driving force behind all that we do. Their journey and courage serves as a catalyst to spur us on in our research endeavours so that we are able to make a positive difference to their vision and their lives.
In our school, they were conducting checkups, so the nurse told me that my eyesight was 6 out of 60. My eyesight then was very blur, so they asked me to go to an eye specialist. They found it serious, so they sent me to Professor George. There he told me that I had keratoconus, that means the cornea was out of shape, so they said no choice but to go surgery. This whole experience with SERI has changed my life. I can now see a little bit clearer.
We've seen a huge improvement in surgical techniques over the last 5 to 10 years, even compared to the last 100 years. And certainly with children, for example, like with Sandeep, with his operation, it's a very high-tech procedure that he managed to undergo that maybe 10, 15 years ago wouldn't have been available.
Started way back with poor eyesight. So I was sent to a doctor who discovered I had glaucoma. But started with something which didn't really bother me. Ended with something which to me, could be quite serious if not treated. So when Tina proposed that whether I wanted to join this research group, I said, why not?
In this situation, the main challenge is patient compliance. As doctors, we prescribe all the medications we like, but if the patient is not able or unwilling to stick to the regime, then it is as good as not prescribing at all.
So now with her method, which I believe is an injection, I have not had any drops in that eye from January till now.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our donors for their tremendous support for our research. And without their support and recognition that science and research is an important part of translational medicine, we wouldn't be able to deliver such great milestones in clinical improvements for our patient care.
As a patient, I'm very grateful that I've been selected to take part. And I'm sure maybe hundreds of thousands after me who may go to the same thing will say thank you to you all.
I'd sincerely like to thank the donors who have made it possible for us to continue in our vision to enhance the lives of patients.
I'd like to thank the donors for their generous gift that will help us pave a pathway to pursue eye research and also to improve the quality of life of our patients.
I'd like to thank you for your contribution and support all these years. Thank you very much on behalf of SERI.
To see is not everything. It is the only thing. Please donate to eye research.
No one should be needlessly blind in our world. With your support, CERI would be at the forefront of making that possible. Please donate to eye research.